Grayson South Landscape is a landscape contracting company serving the South Charlotte area. Being landscape contractors, the majority of our waste is yard waste and debris. Rather than send this debris to the landfill, we use this debris for composting and teach the children as part of the 4-H program. Right here the kids have begonias that came out off of an actual landscape job that we had. Instead of taking the begonias and putting them in the landfill, instead we bring them here where they're going to be feeding the chickens, the goats, the rabbits, and some of the other animals. That way not only are we not adding more to the landfill, but we're also using it for programming to feed the animals.
4-H is all about learning about doing. And I can't think of a better place. I know when Mike called me the first time saying that he wanted to start a 4-H club as part of his farm program, I was absolutely excited. What he's been able to teach these kids is just golden. I mean, look around, you see what the kids are doing, and it's just a blessing to them.
What we're doing here is digging worms with the LEAF program with the 4-Hers. There's lots of worms that are right now helping to mix the compost. This compost originally came from leaf piles, residential properties all over the Charlotte area. Those leaves would have wound up in the landfill. Instead, we bring them here to compost and then reuse that compost for landscape installations. In the meantime, the children, as part of their 4-H project, we've put worms into the compost bins, which then help to get the nutrients and the castings of the worms, and then in turn the kids will take those worms, take them back up to some of the livestock and use those to feed as well.
The kids are involved with our pullet project that involves raising chickens from basically a day old to older. They got their first egg last week, so they're all excited about that. They're involved with the wildlife food plot project. They help provide habitat for the animals in the area, the deer, turkey. They're also involved with some vermiculture. They have the goats. They have a lot of things here. 4-H is all about learning by doing, and that's what the kids are here for. They're active, they're hands-on. There's just no limit to what kids can get through 4-H.
We're right now in the hen house that we've taken an old shed and taken old materials from job sites, from local businesses that have donated everything from lumber to paint, nails, old pallets, and in turn the children with the 4-H program have taken all this, rebuilt this whole wall here. So not only do we have a good spot for the chickens to live and lay eggs, but also a great use of materials that would have otherwise wound up in a landfill. At Grayson South Landscape, environmental stewardship and community at our core, and that's why we are proud Wipe Out Waste ambassadors.
To learn more, go to wipeoutwaste.com.